A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In an unprecedented turn of events, President-elect Donald Trump has made history by being sentenced for a felony conviction just 10 days before his second inauguration. The Manhattan Criminal Court found Trump guilty of 34 felony counts of falsifying business records related to hush money payments made to adult film actress Stormy Daniels prior to the 2016 election. This marks the first time in U.S. history that a president has entered office with a guilty judgment on their permanent record. The court's ruling, delivered via video link by acting Justice Juan Merchan, resulted in an unconditional discharge for Trump, meaning he will not serve jail time or face fines despite the serious nature of the charges. The court's decision reflects the unique circumstances surrounding the case, which has been characterized by Trump and his supporters as a political witch hunt. In May 2024, after a lengthy trial, Trump was convicted of falsifying business records, a classy felony in the U.S. The charges stem from a $130,000 payment made to Daniels by Trump's former lawyer, Michael Cohen, to keep her silent about an alleged affair during the 2016 presidential campaign. Although the maximum sentence for such offenses could have included 4 years in prison and substantial fines, Judge Merchan ultimately decided on an unconditional discharge, allowing Trump to continue his political career unimpeded. During the sentencing, Trump maintained his innocence, claiming that the charges were part of a broader conspiracy to undermine his presidency. "This has been a very terrible experience," Trump stated, adding that the case was an embarrassment to the New York court system. He argued that labeling the hush money payment as a legal expense did not constitute a crime, and he expressed frustration over the legal proceedings that have plagued him for years. Judge Merchan acknowledged the complexities of the case, noting the extraordinary legal protections afforded to the presidency. He emphasized that while these protections are significant, they do not exempt any individual from accountability under the law. The imposition of sentence is one of the most difficult and significant decisions that any criminal court judge is called upon to make, he said, highlighting the unusual nature of Trump's case. Outside the courtroom, reactions were mixed, with supporters of Trump rallying behind him, holding signs proclaiming his innocence, while others declared his guilt. The atmosphere was charged as the nation grapples with the implications of a convicted felon assuming the highest office in the land. Despite the conviction, Trump's path to the presidency remains intact. He is set to be inaugurated as the 47th President of the United States on January 20th, following a decisive victory over Democratic nominee Kamala Harris in the 2024 election. Trump received 312 electoral votes compared to Harris's 225, and the popular vote was closely contested, with Trump securing over 77 million votes to Harris's 75 million. In the wake of the sentencing, Trump took to his social media platform, Truth Social, to express his outrage, labeling the legal proceedings as a politically motivated attack. He vowed to appeal the decision, asserting that the case lacked merit and was driven by a desire to undermine his presidency. As the nation prepares for Trump's second term, the ramifications of his conviction are yet to be fully understood. Legal experts suggest that the appeal process could extend for years, potentially casting a shadow over his presidency. The historic nature of this case raises questions about the intersection of politics and the judicial system, and how the American public will respond to a president with a felony conviction. In summary, Donald Trump's sentencing marks a significant moment in American political history as the implications of his conviction unfold in the coming weeks and months. The nation watches closely as Trump prepares to take office once again, navigating the challenges posed by his legal troubles while attempting to fulfill his presidential duties. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.